Just settling in here. This meditation is designed for those times when the world feels unsafe, or you feel threats, or there's just fears around you. This is designed to create an inner sanctuary, a place where you can escape and feel safe and be untouchable to what's going on in the outside world. So just settle in, bring your awareness to your breath. Let the breath be easy. Feel it to start to lengthen without effort. Each breath, the inhale and the exhale, get a little bit longer. Now start to visualize an inner sanctuary, a space inside you that's almost like a container or an internal room. You can imagine what the design of it looks like. Maybe there's plush pillows everywhere. Maybe a lot of natural elements like plants. Imagine what are the sights and the sounds and the smells in this safe sanctuary you're creating for yourself. In this safe space, you are protected. In this safe space, you are okay. In this safe space, there is love of self, self-acceptance, peace of mind. Allow yourself to take up space in this room, in this internal sanctuary. Here it is quiet. Here it is safe. Here you are totally protected from anything in the outside world. Whenever your mind wanders to thoughts of what's going on in the outside world, or those fears start creeping back in, just imagine yourself re-entering this inner sanctuary, re-entering your safe space, your comfortable internal room. Nothing and no one can touch you here. You are safe. As you sit in this safe space, you notice that all other things fall away. All time, all commitments, all fears, you notice that you don't need them. You can take a break and separate. You can connect with this safe, quiet inner sanctuary anytime. And if you feel your body start to slouch, just recommit to the integrity of your seat by grounding down the sit bones, letting the pelvis cascade down and then lengthening through the spine and the crown of the head. Just sit in your sanctuary. A safe space where nothing can touch you, nothing can hurt you. You're free from the fear. You're free from the anxiety. You're free from the heaviness of it all. There's just space. Infinite space. Bring your hands to heart center. Bow your head. Offer a prayer of gratitude. Thank you for this life. Thank you for this body. Thank you for all the blessings seen and unseen. And then when you're ready, gently flutter open your eyes. Hopefully feeling a little more peace, a little more space. Thank you so much for joining me today.